Let's practice our Español. Let's go over some words for drinks. A glass of milk. Un vaso de leche. A bottle of wine. Una botella de vino. Coffee. Café. Coffee with milk. Café con leche. Water. Agua. Soft drink or soda. Refresco. Beer. Cerveza. Cocktail. Cóctel. Red wine. Vino tinto. White wine. Vino blanco. Here are some platos habituales or typical foods. Chicken. Pollo. Fish. Pescado. Steak. Bistec. White rice. Arroz blanco. French fries. Papas fritas. Roasted. Asado. Fried. Frito. Grilled. A la plancha. Raw. Crudo. How'd you do? Don't worry if you didn't get 100%. Keep reviewing this video and keep practicing. Also, make sure to check out our other videos that will teach you the grammar and vocabulary behind what we just practiced in this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in our next practice session.